Hello, fellow Christmas lovers and enthusiasts. You are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is May 14th. That means there are 225 days left until Christmas. And if you haven't checked out youtube.com/@closertochristmas to check out the first episode of Closer to Christmas The Hunt, go ahead and do so I can stop reminding you every day. Trust me, you don't want to hear me do this every day. And now, on to today's episode. Welcome back to Closer to Christmas. Today, we're inviting some very important guests to our summer Christmas celebration, the birds. Think of them as Santa's summer scouts. So grab some pine cones, spread some peanut butter on them, roll them in some birdseed, and hang them from a tree. And just like that, you've created a Christmas feeder. Before you know it, birds will start showing up like it's the grand opening of a holiday buffet. And honestly, watching them might just be the most relaxing Christmas activity you could do in the sunshine. So here is your listener challenge for this episode. Make one feeder, or at least plan where you'd hang it. Then imagine this. It's a warm day, a light breeze, and birds are fluttering around something that you made. Now that's your summer Christmas moment. Go ahead and take a picture of your bird feeder hanging up, and if you get a bird in the picture, that's some extra bonus points. Put it on Instagram and tag me at Closer to Xmas, or email a picture to closertochristmaspodcast@gmail.com. Come back tomorrow for another idea, and remember, the next time you hear my voice and this podcast will all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thanks for listening.